let's have a group discussion on dream startup idea. Our students are going to present on their own startup idea that they have planned. Yes, start.
Hi, myself Pradevi. My startup idea was the MediBox AI, a smart medicine reminder system. The idea was many people, especially elder people and the patient with chronic diseases, forgot to take their medicines on time, missing doses on daily, recurring and lead to serious health problems. Our idea is to develop a smart medicine reminder app, box connected to a mobile app. The system reminds user to check their medicines at the correct time, and the family members also reduce the pressure. So the solution for this, the AI, the Medibox AI provides a smart and easy way to manage medicines. Stores medicine in separate compartment, sends reminder through a mobile app, gives the sound and the live alerts from the box so that the user can be very attractive for it. So
Students on that side can listen.
next when medicine is taken, notify family members if the doses is missed. So the features I include was the smart medicine reminders, LED lights and the alarm notification, mobile app integration, family member notification, and the medicine history and tracking, the secure medicine compartment, cloud data synchronization, and the AI-based reminder personalization. So the benefit was the improved medicine, reduce misdoses, helps elderly people live more independently, give place of mind to family members, support doctors with medicine history, save times and reduce medical complaints, to improve overall patient health. The vision of our company was, our vision is to make a medical management simple, smart and reliable for everyone. We aim to reduce health risk caused by mismedicines by using AI and the smart technology. In future, Medibox AI can become a trusted healthcare companion for every home, hospital and elderly care sector. Thank you.
My dream startup. Yes, it was a nice application that she has come out with. She has empathized so clearly that the old age people who forget to take pills on time. So her idea will reduce the risk and fatal cases. It was so nice and AI in healthcare. She has to work on and she has to come up with the application in real time. Congratulations.
My team startup is to develop a smart irrigation system that uses Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to provide water to 20 districts. The system uses soil moisture sensors, weather data, and AI algorithms to determine the optimal amount of water requirement. Solution: farmers often waste water in traditional irrigation methods, leading to higher costs and water shortages. The system helps conserve water while improving crop growth and productivity. Features: soil moisture sensors to monitor water levels, AI-based analysis of crop water requirements, weather forecasting integration, automatic irrigation control, mobile app for real-time monitoring and alerts. Benefits: saves water and energy, reduces farming costs, increases crop yield and quality, minimizes manual labor. To empower farmers with smart technology that improves agricultural productivity by conserving natural decay and promoting sustainable farming.
Internet of Things is what her idea is. Actuators and then using AI is going to check the moisture of the soil and then when it is not in the sufficient level, then the drip water will be indicated throughout the field. So it's a nice idea. Yes, very well.
Hi everyone, I'm Yes Tracy. My dream startup idea is to create an AI-powered education platform that helps students learn in a simple and personalized way. Many students struggle because everyone learns at a different pace. My platform uses artificial intelligence to explain topics based on each student's level. It would provide video lessons, coding practice, mock interviews, career guidance, and study planning. Students could also ask questions at any time and get instant AI support. The platform will support regional languages so that students from rural areas can also learn. This startup would make quality education affordable and accessible to everyone. It would help students improve their skills, prepare for jobs, and build successful careers.
In conclusion, my dream is to use technology to make learning easier and create equal opportunity for every student. Thank you.
Yes, it was a nice idea. Yes, the implementation, everything we have to work on. Okay? Great job. Food wastage, yes, for that solution and application. So all the integration and everything, how we are going to come out with that, which will be much efficient, which technology can be implemented, everything. Work on the prototype and ideal part. Okay?